Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kasorka Jela Meghalaya menta kalapan kre banyak keren, bat ka Coal India Limited nakabenta bandeli lamno yudoyong ubadang don hapo kani ke Jela. Hadian bakalapha ru ya kejing terwa syaka National Green Tribunal nakabenta ban pelat ya kejing shalan yudoyong ubadang don hadu menta hakipa doyong hakathan East Gentiles District. Hadian kejing ajing bet ru jong ka Yang Bishar Supreme Court. U menteri rangba kani ke Jela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka jingran bat kinong patai kubor ulai tu bakasyong satang haka Coal India Limited ban pendap lot ya kejing don kambaro shiwa ban lilam yudoyong nakani ke Jela.
Basically, as I said, in the first 6 months after we got the clear green signal from Supreme Court, we had prepared the proposal and submitted to NGT, but at that time NGT was not able to have meetings. In fact, meetings were postponed 4 or 5 times. And then ultimately when the meeting did take place, then within 2 to 3 sittings, the proposals were, the process actually of conducting the tendering process was cleared in those meetings. So now we have moved with Coal India. Coal India had some queries and some clarifications which we have clarified, and now everything is in place. And through the Metal and Scrap Trading Agency, I think I'm not getting the exact name, but it's a Government of India undertaking. Through that, the entire e-auctioning process will